Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the Self-Developer, and in today's video I want to give you an overview of what the Flutter is. So Flutter is an open source UI software development kit created by Google, and you can use Flutter to build mobile, web, and desktop apps in a single code base. So it's pretty nice because in today's day and age, it's awesome to save some more time, and I think it's a good idea to try to reduce the complexity of building apps. So I think Flutter is the future, and it was backed by Google, which is a really good company. And Flutter was built using Dart, and Dart is an object-oriented programming language that's very easy to learn, and the syntax is very similar to sort of like combination of Java and JavaScript. So yeah, let's jump right into um, the website. If you go ahead and type in your tab right here, flutter.dev, and come to the website and scroll down. And so basically Flutter was built to showcase some features that stand out from other cross platform frameworks out there. So it's basically fast. What I mean by that is it's really good for UI. When you're building an app, you should save your time for reloading apps, and when you make some changes, and you can see it instantly, just a click of a button. So that's what called hard reload, and that saves a lot of time, and to be honest. But building apps is time consuming in terms of like runtime. So Flutter solved the problem by, let's say, I'll give you an example of when you want to build an application, then you want to change something, and then you have to restart. So when running an emulator, it might take a while, but if with hot reload, you can do that in a few seconds. And it's also flexible in terms of UI creating. It's really smooth for the performance. Is really pretty close to native. So yeah, the biggest of the two platforms right now is Flutter and React Native, and they keep competing with each other. But I prefer to use Flutter, in my opinion. And I just want to show you a quick look of how the code, the Flutter codes look like. If you see to the section, and then you choose to change application to the counter app. As you can see right here, it has some basic syntax like importing. You have some classes right here. You have some extends keywords for inheritance if you know some OOP concept. You have some method right here, calling, and if you can see, this is the change method. Let me show you the program first on how it looks. So if I click to run, it's going to show this app, and there will be a button right here. If you click on it, it's going to increase the value by 1. So the code already explained right here. When you click, the value is going to be increased by 1. And if you can see, the change method was called under onPress. So if you come from an Android background, you can see that onPress is called when you click a button. So this is basically the anatomy of the code in Flutter, technically in Dart. So this is written in Dart. So yeah, that's what this is all about. And if you click right here on the showcase, you can see that Flutter was built. Many companies uses Flutter to build their applications, including Tencent, Realtor.com, some big apps out there like the New York Times, Square, Google Assistant, or there's some more like Reflectly, if I remember. Yeah, Reflectly right here is it's a note-taking app or some kind of meditation Google Ads, and yeah, you can go head to the website and have a look. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today with today's video. Um, that's a wrap, and I'll see you in the next section for installing and setup for Flutter. Right, see you there.